Hello, and warmest of September greetings to you and yours. This month I've been revisiting an old game that I started writing in the 80s, but there's something else that I've been busy with in the 80s, and that was BBSing. Before the internet was widely available, people would dial into BBSs and they would chat and post messages and download programs. And as exciting as the CoCo 2 was, and as huge a world as it was inside that computer with all the things you could do, BBSing and modems opened up the world. I've recently become aware of the fact that there are BBSs running now. And although most people will connect to them via the web or via Telnet, some of them actually have dial-up numbers. You can actually, in theory, dial up to a BBS just like you could 35 years ago. And guess what? I still have my old 300 baud modem. It's actually a combo phone modem, and I know the phone part still works, but I haven't used the modem part in 35 years. Here's my setup. I got my CoCo 2, which I've had since the 80s. I have this modem phone that I bet no one else on the planet has. It's a combination phone modem, 300 baud. You dial your number, you flick the switch, and then it's going there at 300 baud. Are there numbers you can call which will let you connect to 300 baud? Will I remember how to use MikeyTerm, which is the terminal program I used back in the 80s? All right, let's turn her on. And this is my MikeyTerm floppy. And I'm going to run MTerm. Where's the menu? Why am I not getting a menu? Oh, here's the menu. What on earth? Okay. So, parameters. I am gonna try this. So word length 8, no parity. Shouldn't there be a stop it? I don't know. Back to this. So I go into communication mode, which I guess is where I was before. And now I dial. Okay. So first, cancel call waiting. Okay, and then we dial. Okay, modem. Enter. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! It is working! Oh man! I gotta press escape? I don't know how to press escape. Oh no! It needs me to I don't have an escape key. Are you kidding me? Oh no! There's no escape key on my keyboard. What do you want from me? Okay, so next I'm gonna try end of the line BBS. Cancel call waiting. What? No. What? Oh my gosh, I was going to type new? Jeez Louise, come on. So impatient. Oh man, this is not going well. Okay. The basement. Cancel call waiting. Hello. Okay. 9600 baud. No, I can't do that. We would better do ANSI 1. Enter new. I have neither, but I'll say 40. I don't want to make an account. I just want to be a guest. No, I do not want a permanent pass. It's at least receiving my characters. That's something. I don't know what that is. The flareometer. Okay. Congratulations to those people. I supposed to like pick one? Oh, equals. Equals. Okay. Equals 7. Equals 7. Alright, let's see what else we've got here. Wow, okay. There's very little I can do without a real account. I think I'm just going to go. Thank you very much. Well, that was a surprise that I was even able to get any text that was readable coming through. It was a surprise that my modem even still worked. I didn't think any of this would work. I do see that today BBSs are a little bit more impatient. 300 baud may be a little bit too slow for some of them, but some of them were friendly enough. Text didn't look great. Things needed too many columns and such. But there's a lot of BBSs out there. I could try calling more and see if any really match my computer. I wish there were a CoCo board. Is there a CoCo board out there? I will call you if you're out there. Please let me know. Otherwise, thanks for watching.